again, it's Heather, and I wanted to talk to you about our controlled syllable types. You know how much I love a syllable type and mapping words with syllables, so I want to show you how it's done. Our controlled is also called the Bossy-r. The Bossy-r, we have our hands on our hips and we're showing the symbol for Bossy-r, and the kids love it. They love like wrinkling their little forehead up there and being a Bossy-r. So these are some examples of the Bossy-r. So we always stop and look before we map, and if they see a Bossy-r type, they know they have to map it a certain way. So let's practice. All right, we have this word the students don't know. Like, how do we figure it out? Well, we stop and look. Do you see anything that we need to pay attention to, like a magic-y or something, or blend? Well, there's a Bossy-r right there. That is one vowel sound. So we underline both the U and the R. It's one vowel sound. Then we have an O over here. It's another vowel. So let's draw our bridge. And now we have a B on here. Now we do not need to map the R. We've already got it underlined. It's part of the vowel sound, but this is a consonant. We only have one consonant on the bridge. So what we do is we always try it before the consonant first. So this is a BR for Bossy-r. What syllable type is this O? And this is where I have my students use their hand gestures. Is it a closed syllable, open syllable, Bossy-r, consonant LE? What is it? Whoops. And it's an open syllable. It's open to say its O sound. So turbo. 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 Is that a word you recognize? And they're like, yeah, turbo. So we can make that a solid line because we know that's where it would go. All right, let's try another one. There's a word we don't know. Let's figure it out. Stop and look. Do you see a Bossy-r? I sure do, right there. U-R. Again, I didn't mean to do two U-Rs. That's just the way it goes. There's a vowel sound. We underline them both. Oh, there's an A. That's another vowel sound. Let's draw our bridge. The syllable will break on the bridge. Oh, there's another consonant. So what do we do when there's only one C? Well, we try it first before. Boop, 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 dotted line. So this is the Bossy-r. This is a open or close. Now have my students use their hand gestures. Ah. That's a closed ah. So let's sound it out. See if it's a word we recognize. Bur, lap, lap, burlap, burlap. Does that sound like a word you recognize? Yes, it is. And usually the Bossy-r, U-R is at the end of a syllable. You teach them that too, but that's beside the point. All right, friends, happy teaching and learning. Stay tuned for the next syllable type.